Okay, so I hope that I am audible to you guys. So in this video, I have to do two tasks, and my first task is to create a loan schedule or debt schedule, whatever you called. So this task has been provided to me via a course which I am doing, an online course. Okay, and it is saying that there is a demo company or sample company, whatever, Saldi, which has taken some loans, and they have outstanding loans of $120 million as of 2015. Within next 10 year the loan will be repaid completely, and they usually do monthly payments at 4% interest rate, okay, as it mentioned here. And they are asking me what would be the outstanding loan of that company that Saldi will have at the end of 5 years. Okay, so this is the answer I have to make. So in a big picture you can you I mean simply see. So this is the output. We have $120 million debt at 2015. We are asking about 2020 remaining debt, and as of 2025 the debt will be repaid. Okay, so let's do that. So this is the task one solution sheet, and this sheet, I mean the whole workbook is actually provided to me by that course tutor. So yeah, let's answer it. And right now we have some values which I will write here. Let me insert a new column. Okay, so it is saying number of periods. So as you know that it's the loan will be repaid in within next 10 years. Okay, 10 years, right? And they will pay monthly, I mean monthly payments. So in each year we have 12 months. So that mean that we the number of period would be 120. 120 installment they will pay, or EMI, whatever you say. So this is the first thing, and second is interest rate annually. So annual interest rate is 4%. Okay, it means that monthly EMI will be 4% divided by 12. That much is for monthly interest, and outstanding loan at 31st December 2015, which is $120 million. Okay, 120, then 123, 123. Okay, let me make it to number. I will do it later. Okay, monthly payments. So monthly payments, we will calculate that with an Excel function PMT. Okay, we have the rate, which is this, right? We have the number of payment, so which is this, and we have the present value, which is this, right? Now bracket close, hit enter. The value is giving me in a negative, right? So I need it to positive number. So what I will do, in the formula itself, I will put a minus sign, so it will become a positive number. So I will simply just copy the format and give it to this as well. Yeah, so it's look good. Okay, so that much is done. Now I need to prepare a loan schedule. So we need to give the list here, I mean the period number, which is 1 year, 2, then 3, and we can do one thing, like we can drag it to 120, right? This way you can see the number, but I will not do that. Let me delete it. I will just simply put 1 here. Cool. And then control shift down arrow, select the whole column. Then I will go to the home tab, and in home tab here in corner it has a fill. Then we have a function called a series, fill series, whatever you called, and it's saying step value 1, which will be 1 only, and a stop value when it has to be stop, I put 120, which is very I mean it's a very useful function or option, whatever you called, because in this way if I have to calculate for 10 year or whatever, I mean 20 year, 50 year, 100 year, whatever year, I can easily do that. So 120, I will click, hit OK. Now if I go to the control down arrow, as you see, it has stopped at 120. Cool. Okay, so that much is done. Now my payment, so my payment would be that only. Yeah, this one. Let me press F4. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, and hit enter. I can copy paste to the to the bottom only, and for that I have to just double click here in the corner, control down arrow. Let me check. Yeah, it has stopped at 120. Cool. Now again go to top. Now what is the interest we will pay like on the residual value, right? So we have the residual value this, so equals to this, and monthly interest we are paying, and it's a monthly payment we are doing, right? So multiply with 4, not 4 like this one, the monthly interest rate we have already calculated, right? So I will hit enter. Yeah, so this is my interest rate we which we have to, or the business have to pay it. Okay, you got me right. I mean, you got the idea. So this is the interest rate. So what would be the principal amount? So this is the payment we are making, and this is the interest in within this payment. So whatever the remaining, that would be the principal which you are in, which we are, or the business has to be are repaying. So this minus this interest amount is the principal that they are repaying. So what would be the remaining residual value? This I mean this outstanding value minus the principal which they are repaying. If I hit enter, okay, it's not a fitting, it's not an error, it says that the value is not fitting here. Yeah, so now it's fitting. Now I have gotten the first payment, first residual value. I have to again give the second line of it, and then we can just drag it to it as it is at, I mean, as simple as that. Equals to, so again, what is the interest? So interest will be on residual debt, the last residual debt. This multiply with 4%, not 4%, I mean this percent. Okay, I have to fix it that there, I mean here I have to fix it because I will drag it to down. So and my monthly interest rate will be same, so I have to fix it. Now I can click tab, so it has been moved. Then we will do the same calculation, like a payment minus interest, that is the principal we are paying, and a residual will be same, the last residual debt minus the principal that we have paid, this one. I will click enter. Okay, now all I to need to do is that click I mean select all these three data, and double click to here. Okay, let's check that I have done everything correctly or not. So click down arrow. So as you see, at the end of 120 payment, installment payment, or EMI payment, whatever you called, my debt will be become 0. So if it is become 0, that means I have done all the calculation correctly. If there is some plus minus, then I have to recheck it. So yeah, that's the thing. So this is the value for, I mean, full list for 120 installment and something like that. But what is the question has been asked? They are asking that what will be the residual debt as of after 5 years, right? So I will just copy it, copy, paste. Okay, so they are asking outstanding loan at 20, right? So you know, if 5 years they are asking, it's mean 5 multiplied by 2, 12, 5 multiplied by 12, 1 to 12, which is 60, 60. So what would be the residual debt after 60th payment, right? So I will just check that. Here it is. Let me highlight it to you guys. Yeah, and that is that much. So I can copy paste it or whatever. So let me copy paste here. Copy. Okay, what happened? Why it didn't change? Let it be equals to this value. It enter. Yeah, now it's work. So yeah, I have given the answer of the first task, that is done, and let's see what has been given in the task 2. So my second task is that I have been given some payments or monthly incomes or whatever. yearly values. Okay, in scenario 1 and scenario 2, that calculate the present value of the two scenario. Use a 9% interest rate for the calculation. So what is the thing is that this is some yearly income, you can say, or cash flow generation, whatever you call it, right? So these are some yearly value it has been given in monetary terms for 2016, 17, 18, 19 and 20, and for this as well 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. In both the scenarios, I have to use a 9% interest rate, and I have to calculate the present value of those two scenarios. So let me go to the task solution 3. So there are no structure has been given to me, right? So I have to prepare my own structure here. So I will do it quickly. You can see me. I will be quiet and yeah, let's do that. Okay. First of all, what I will needed. Okay, I thought I said I will be quiet, but if I the main thing is that I have to copy paste these values there, right? So that's thinking. I'm thinking that it's this is nothing to show you guys, right? It's just a regular task. So should I pause it for a while and copy paste quickly? Then I can resume the videos. Yeah. Okay, so let me do that first. But before it, there is something I can do. Like this is a task. Okay, for mm, 5 years, right? And we have to calculate the present value. So I have some idea or structure that how can we can do that. So let's follow that structure first. Okay, so that is especially for mm this is scenario. So I will start from here only. So what I will need that I need 5 years. 1 2 3 4 5 5 years I needed, but these 5 years I won't show like this. I like to show it like year. So for that I will go to the more formatting option. General, I will keep it general only. Just with a minor changes that I in before general I will use a double quote. I will write here and let's see how it look. Yeah, so I will use this format. Okay, let me make it bold, white, and color should be this format painter, and I will do the same to you. This is my 5 years data, right? And here I will put those values, and here would be the ratio, right? So there one more thing I can do, that is let me put it 9%. This is the ratio. I will again go to the number format. There's a shortcut for it, like control 1, or I forgot. So yeah, let go to the custom. Let it be like this only. All I have to know this, all I have to do this double quote. I will write a ratio, ratio, space. Okay, okay. Then again I can use the similar formation for this, like fill and this, and let me to left. Yeah, this is the 9% ratio. This is the value only. Ratio is just on a text, which is doesn't matter having it or not having it, right? So that much is done. Now I can just simply copy paste those value and resume the video. Okay, so I have a copy paste all these values, and you may check it, like these are the values, and this is the task 2. Yeah, let me zoom it again. Yeah, so these are the scenario ones. So all these values for 48 to 50, what is this, 48,250,000 dollar, right? Yeah, so these are the things I have just copy paste those values, and I have changed the number formatting, that's all, and the thousand separator. So in my second row, what I need, if you know the how to calculate the present value, then very good. And if you not know, then you can Google it or watch YouTube videos. I have also made a video on it, that how to calculate the present value and future value. So whatever you like, you can watch it and check it, right? So that's the thing. So first of all, what we needed, we have to calculate the percentage, right? So let me tell you what I mean by that. Like if you calculate know that present value is equals to future value divided by 1 plus r to the power n, that the to the power n is specifically that how many years we are calculating. So I will put everything like 1 plus r is basically nothing but this 9%. This is 1 plus r, which will be fixed only, f4 1 plus r bracket to the power. So I have to give the exponential, what is n here means this number 1 only. By the time it is increased 1 to 5, the n will be changed, and everything else will be remaining same. So that's the thing. Okay, I have to change the formatting here for percentage. This custom formatting won't work. So let me go back and make it to percentage only. Okay, yeah, let it be this way only. Okay, that's the thing. Now what would be the next thing? Next thing, I will just simply copy this formula. Sorry, my bad. I will just simply copy this formula to the right. So there is a control right, I guess. Yeah, that's the thing. And make it to 2 only. Let it me just a moment. Number, use it 2 decimal value. Okay, yeah, it's look good. Okay, that's the thing. Now see, the bottom part has been given. Now what is the future value? This is the future value, and that I have to divide it by this only. Yeah, that's the main thing. So equals to, this is the future value divided by this only. Yeah, this is I have given. Drag it to this, control r, I mean copy the formula to the right. So this is the answer we are getting, right? So let it be design it little bit more like bold. I can go and use top border. Yeah, bottom border as well, we can use it. So this is the present value of each cash flow, like this one's present value this one present value is this one present value is this, like. But what we needed, that is a total present value. In the task they are asking use the rate and calculate the present value of the two scenario below. So total they haven't mentioned, but we can make the totals by ourselves. Okay, so let's calculate it. Total PV of future cash flow. Mm, okay, so what I have to need is equal to, and use all this. Okay, just a moment. Equal to sum and select all the values, bracket close, hit enter. Yeah, this is the one way of doing thing, but there are another way we can do it by using a formula. Let me show you to that also. Copy. I'm confused with the wording. That wording doesn't seems like a total present value of future cash flow. Yeah, okay, let it me keep this wording this way. It may not be correct, and I say I might have mistake with the wording, but it doesn't seem it look like. But you got the idea, right? What I am doing here. So yeah, now I can use a formula that is equals to NPV. NPV is not the same which we are doing here. NPV is for NPV calculation. We also use the it's basically a function that you usually use, that any project or any business or company is viable or not. Like the initial investment we have to account there, like some investment we have make, and whatever the future cash flow we will generate with a certain amount of percentage of discount rate, then we will reduce all values, future values, to the present level, and then minus it to the initial investment, so that it will above 1 or below 1. That thing we are check, right? So that's the thing. But still, let me calculate this. Okay, so I have made a mistake. I need a rate first. So this is my rate. Then I will use comma. Now I will use these values. Why I'm taking these values? Sorry. So pissed off me. Yeah. This is the present value we have calculated, right? I mean, we need the future cash flows. So this will be this. Now it should be correct. Yeah. If you change the formatting, so see the same form, the result we have given here. So my answer is correct. Basically the procedure is correct. What I have done, that is correct. So we can calculate all the total of the present value, the future cash flow, via this also, like by preparing this structure, or by simply just using a NPV formula, right? So both way possible. So this is for scenario 1. I can do the scenario 2 with the same way, so which I will not record. When you see this sheet in GitHub, you will see that both I have done prepared. So then you can compare by yourself that whatever the best outcome we receive. So that's the thing for this video. Bye.